Hi there and welcome to Explain. This is a new tool from Scrimba that makes it easy for you to learn just about anything. So let's try, for example, what's HTML. I'll send it off and in just a few seconds I get this.
HTML is the skeleton of every website you visit. HTML uses tags to tell the browser what is a heading, a paragraph, or a button. The hot1 tag creates a title, while p tags define text blocks. That's all HTML is, a set of labels for your content.
Okay, so that's a pretty short and sweet explanation of HTML. I can also dig deeper if I want by clicking on these, or generate full playlists or mini courses on whatever topic I want. Now, we use Explain for all kinds of things internally. For example, we attached an explainer to every single pull request in our codebase. So let's have a look at one of these.
167 rebuilds guide narration playback around one session per se, so a late continuation can never play over wherever the viewer has moved on to. Playback starts when the viewer makes a gesture like play or seek. This tells the voiceover controller to open a fresh play request.
So it starts with like a high-level overview and then kind of digs into the nitty-gritty details of the code. Let's have a look here.
And keeps that exact handoff, but adds one line first. Only continue if this is still the current session. Running out.
Yeah, so this makes it a lot easier to kind of stay on top on what's changing in the code. Now, you can take Explain with you wherever you do your work. For example, if you are in ChatGPT, and let's say you have this PDF you're working on, you're a driving instructor and you want to send out a little video to your students, well, then you can just use the Explain Video Generator plugin to generate videos directly from ChatGPT. Let's have a look at what we generated here.
Here is the test day plan. Meet your driving instructor at the agreed point 10 minutes before the test begins. Bring two things, your original photo ID and the required test documents. Before the test.
So really a versatile tool. And one of my favorite use cases is also just understanding complex articles you come across online. Let's say you are here on Hacker News and you want to read this article right here, compression is prediction. It's quite a tough read. Then you can just click on the Explain Chrome extension like this, and in just a few seconds.
The core claim is that compression and AI are two sides of the same coin. Both rely on predicting the next piece of information to reduce redundancy. A compressor uses three main organs. Transforms prepare the data, models.
So for a lot of people, this is so much easier to digest than reading a long article. Now, all of your explainers are added to your profile here on Scrimba, and we've had over 20,000 explainers created so far. I would love to hear what you think after you've tried it, so be sure to leave a comment if you have feedback. Thank you.